Good morning, grade 8. It is good to see you this morning. It is Thursday, February the 20th, and yeah, hope you're doing well. So this document is going to be on PowerSchool Learning. You're going to view this screencast. There'll be a link in there, but basically what you're going to do today is you are going to do some work with your notes. So you finished the 4 sets of notes for your research assignment. And the idea today is that you will improve on those notes and making sure that they're usable and useful for writing your essay. That's the whole point of this, is to be able to write an essay on what caused the Great Depression or what caused the Dust Bowl. Okay, so you're gonna go on this document. Just a reminder, there's Zoom meetings tomorrow. My codes are here. I don't know Mrs. Prasad's right now, but just ask her. She may post them on this document later on in the day as well. So just look forward to those tomorrow. It is an odd day, so it's A, B, C, and D. It'll be about a half-hour Zoom meeting. So first thing you're going to do is go to this document, which is a checklist, okay? And I'm going to want you to go through this checklist, and each section of the checklist should take you 5 to 10 minutes, okay? So there's instructions here. Make a copy of this. Put your name up here and your block up here. Okay, you're going to go through, and as you complete something, you're going to put an X in here so that you know, okay, I've done that, and then you're going to submit this document to PowerSchool Learning when you're done. Just put your name in here and your research question. Again, we're just trying to emphasize having your research question is important. So first thing, you're going to have to open up your notes. So I've got Adam F's notes open here. Okay, so and I'll use these as an example in just a minute. Okay, so first thing, make sure your notes focus on the causes of the Great Depression, not the effects. So a few of you you've got some general notes about what happened, but you need to focus on the causes, right? That is the emphasis here, okay? So let's just look through, a set of these notes. Okay, so going up to the top. Americans from all walks of life rush to invest their money in stocks, expecting them to make a profit, okay? So again, we're getting maybe at a cause, maybe at the stock market, that could be a cause. Many people took out risky loans, okay? So again, maybe getting at a cause here, not 100% sure yet, okay? Investors worried that their money was at risk. So again, we're looking at the stock market as something that caused the Great Depression. Okay, so we're sort of getting at a cause here. Let's go on to the next one. Although the Federal Reserve System had been created in 1913, the vast majority of America's banks were small. Okay, so we're getting at banking now. So we're looking at this as an issue. So we're getting at causes. So banks called in loans and sold assets. So we're pointing to bank failure as a cause. So that's good. We're getting at one of the causes, and bank failures was one of the causes. Okay, good. So I'm going to go through all that, and I'm going to make sure that I focus on causes. And if I'm done, I put an X here. If I realize that I did not focus on causes, then what do you think I should do? Anybody? Yes, you're right. You need to go back to your source. So you're going to go back to this source. Morning. I am doing a screencast, but that's okay. Sorry. It'll be done in about 30 seconds. You're going to go to this source, the Great Depression, and then you're going to go find sources or find information about the causes. Okay. Now I'm going to continue going all the way through, and you'll notice there are 11 things. You have to do this thoroughly. Take your time to go through it all. Okay. Now I want to highlight this one. Ensure that you've done the CRAP test thoroughly. So if you go, let's go back to Adam's notes. Look at his information on the CRAP test. These are really good notes evaluating all of these different things. So that's what I want you to do. So when you're done this, okay, there's 11 things, and it should take you close to an hour. Mrs. Prasad, do you want to say hi to everybody?
Sure.
Mrs. Prasad just came in. She would love to say hi.
Hi, everybody.
Okay, so there are 11 things. It's going to take you about 50 minutes. Hopefully you can finish it within the hour. Email us if you have any questions, and we will see you on Zoom tomorrow. Okay? Bye-bye.